Hello students, now alkynes. We already discussed the alkane, carbon-carbon single bond, alkene, carbon-carbon double bond. Now alkynes. It is aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon triple bond. Now general formula of alkynes CN H2N minus 2. This is a homologous series of alkynes. There are number n is equal to 2. Then it gives the molecular formula C2H2. Then structure formula means CH triple bond CH. This is an example of structure formula CH triple bond CH, and its condensed formula CH triple bond CH. Then its name, common name acetylene, common name acetylene, CH triple bond CH, common name acetylene, and IUPAC name. In there are 2 carbon then ethane, but presence of triple bond, therefore its AN is sufficient to YNE, AN is sufficient to YNE, therefore its name ethyne, its name ethyne. Look this students, acetylene common name, tribal name, and ethyne IUPAC name. Suppose N is equal to 3, then C3H4, तो हम लोग का आएगा कंडेंस फार्मूला CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH. The valency of carbon 4, therefore completed valency, and this is the structure formula. Carbon attached with 3 hydrogen, carbon attached with carbon and another carbon which having 3 bond means triple bond CH. There are total 3 carbon means its name 1, 2 and 3 carbon means propane, but presence of triple bond AN is sufficient to YNE, therefore its name propyne. Now 4 carbon then and 1 double bond present then butyne. This is a homologous series of alkynes. First one is ethyne, second one is propyne, and third one is butyne. AN is sufficient to YNE, presence of carbon-carbon triple bond. Now isomer of alkynes. Suppose there are total 4 carbon and number of hydrogen 6. They are arranged 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon, and triple bond position at first example having triple bond present at first position, and second structure having triple bond present at second position. Therefore both having different structure, but their molecular formula C4, total number of carbon 4 and number of hydrogen 6, but triple bond position different. Then it is known as a position isomerism. We already discussed that in first compound having triple bond present at first position and second compound having triple bond present at second position. Therefore first compound name butyne, 1 butyne, and second position second compound, therefore second position, therefore its name 2 butyne. So let's look this structure, 1 butyne and 2 butyne. Now preparation of alkynes. In this preparation of acetylene, preparation of acetylene, acetylene means C2H2, ethyne preparation by using calcium carbide, by using calcium carbide. This is the structure of calcium carbide, calcium with C triple bond C, which on hydrolysis, hydrolysis means the addition of 2 times water, 2 times water means 2 times hydrogen and 2 times OH. This is the structure of water, H and OH. Then calcium attached with calcium positive 2, therefore it attached with OH twice, OH क्या रहेगा minus, therefore it is a twice calcium hydroxide, it is a byproduct, and this there are two hydrogen, first hydrogen attached with carbon, another hydrogen with attached with another carbon, then CH triple bond CH. It is a preparation of acetylene from calcium carbide. When calcium carbide which on hydrolysis, addition of water 2 times, it give acetylene. Acetylene name ethyne, formation of ethyne from calcium carbide. So then look this reaction, calcium carbide plus 2 times water hydrolysis to give acetylene and byproduct calcium hydroxide. Next method, preparation of ethyne from 1,2-dibromoethane. This is a 1,2-dibromoethane. It react with alcoholic KOH. This is alcoholic KOH, therefore it is elimination reaction takes place. There are 2 times KOH and also there are total 2 Br, therefore loss of 2 times KBr. Now there are 2 times OH group. This OH group attached with first hydrogen means loss of water, then second hydrogen from another CH2, therefore 2 times water, removal of water. The remaining, now students, CH, this single bond convert into first double bond and double bond convert into triple bond, the formation of CH triple bond CH. Look this students, how to balance reaction. Suppose there are 2 Br, this Br attached with K to 2 times KBr as a byproduct, and there are 2 OH group. Then loss of water, water need hydrogen, therefore first hydrogen from CH2, another hydrogen from CH2, then 2 times water loss and the remaining part CH triple bond CH, formation of acetylene. There are 2 methods, first one is calcium carbide and second one is 1,2-dibromoethane when react with alcoholic KOH to give ethyne and byproduct KBr, potassium bromide 2 times and water 2 times. Now students, chemical properties of acetylene. First one is chlorination. This is the addition of chlorine. Then when addition takes place, double bond convert into, triple bond first convert into double bond, and again addition, double bond convert into single bond. In this, first chlorine attached to carbon means Cl. This double bond reduce, triple bond reduce, it convert into double bond, and carbon attached with another Cl. Then triple bond convert into double bond. Therefore its name 1 and 2, 1,2-dichloroethene. Its name 1,2-dichloroethene because double bond present. Again chlorination, then double bond again convert into single bond. Now students, again chlorination, one Cl attached to carbon, another Cl attached to carbon, then this double bond convert into single bond, and carbon attached with Cl and Cl. Its name, at one position attach of Cl, at another one position attach of Cl, at 2 positions attach of Cl, another 2 position attach of Cl. Then its name 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, total 4 means ethane, tetrachloroethane, its name. There are total only 2 carbon, therefore its name 1,2-1, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloroethane. There are total 4 chlorine. Students, observe this triple bond CH triple bond CH. When addition reaction, then it convert into double bond, and addition reaction it convert into single bond. it convert into single bond. Now in this addition of Cl and Cl, in this addition of Cl, Cl, Cl and Cl, clear? Similar bromination, attach of Br, it give product triple bond convert into double bond, and first attach with carbon Br, second attach with Br. Again bromination, the double bond convert into single bond. Attach of Br, attach of Br, attach of Br, similar to chlorine. It give product 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrabromoethane. Write down the answer, students. Look this, students. This one, this one. Same type of I2. Then it gives 1,2-diiodoethene. There are total 2 iodine. This triple bond convert into double bond. Iodination. Now students, addition of hydrogen. This is known as a catalytic hydrogenation. When presence of triple bond, then it reduce into double bond, carbon carbon double bond. When presence of carbon carbon double bond, it further reduce into carbon carbon single bond, means preparation of alkane. In this we are using as a catalyst Raney nickel, platinum, palladium. We are using Raney nickel, platinum or palladium. In this carbon carbon triple bond convert into double bond, and double bond convert into single bond. When ethane react with Raney nickel as a catalyst, it give ethene, carbon carbon double bond. In this addition of hydrogen, we already discussed in alkene compound, there are 2 hydrogen addition, first one and second one. Then it gives CH2 double bond CH2. Again addition of hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, then it convert into CH3 single bond CH3. It is a catalytic hydrogenation by using palladium as a catalyst, Raney nickel as a catalyst, or platinum as a catalyst. Now propane, there are total 3 carbon, triple bond present. When addition of hydrogens means reduction, by using Raney nickel, it convert into propene, double bond. Again by using Raney nickel hydrogenation, it gives CH3, CH2, CH3. In this propane convert into propene, propene convert into propane. This is a catalytic hydrogenation. Next one, addition of HCl. Addition of HCl. Now CH triple bond CH. Addition of HCl. H and Cl. This is a triple bond convert into double bond. Then it give product CH2, double bond CH, and CH attached with Cl. Again addition of HCl. Again addition of further react with HCl. When it convert into double bond convert into single bond, then CH2 attached with hydrogen, then it gives CH3, double bond reduce into single bond, and CH attached with 2Cl. Then it is give product geminal dihalide, or 1,1. Its suppose numbering at first position attach of 2Cl, therefore 1,1 dichloroethane. Its name 1,1 dichloroethane when addition of HCl. We already discussed ozonolysis, addition of 3 oxygen. This is structure of acetylene, addition of 3 oxygen. First oxygen, second oxygen and third oxygen to form cyclic ring. This is a structure of ozonide. And carbon valency 1, 2, 3, 4 completed to give acetylene ozonide when it react with ozone. There are total 3 oxygen, first oxygen, second oxygen and third oxygen. Valency of carbon 4. This is a ozonolysis, reaction with ozone. Now students, uses of acetylene or ethane. It is used for preparation of various organic compound, acetaldehyde, acetic acid, rubber, polypropylene means rubber, plastic preparation. It is also used as a ripening, artificial ripening of fruits, also used as a artificial ripening of fruits. This calcium carbide used as a artificial ripening of fruits. When addition of some contain water, then it produce acetylene gas and it is used as a artificial ripening of the fruits. मैंगो पिकाने के लिए यूज़ होता है. नेक्स्ट ऑक्सीएसिटिलीन फ्लेम यूज़ होता है वेल्डिंग पर्पस. दिस इज अ यूजेस ऑफ एसिटिलीन. लास्ट वन स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर भी देख लेते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला, दिस इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डॉट क्रॉस स्ट्रक्चर. कार्बन वैलेंसी 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another carbon having also 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Hydrogen in the form of cross. This is a carbon, single bond carbon, first dot, second dot, third dot combine to form CH triple bond CH. In this also presence of covalent bond. Alkynes having presence of covalent bond. This is the electron dot structure of acetylene. Now same like ethene, also used as a polyethylene preparation, ripening of the fruits, oxyethylene flame which are used as a cutting and welding of metals, and also used as a various preparation of synthetic chemicals, also uses as a cosmetics, toiletry preparation. It is a uses of ethane. Now students, methane uses. It is used for domestic fuel. It is also used as a preparation of methanol means formaldehyde. It is also used as a acetylene preparation. It is also used as a methanol preparation, carbon tetrachloride, chloroform preparation used as a. Now ethane, it is used for preparation of ethene, acetaldehyde, acetic acid preparation, and also ethane as a good fuel. It is also used as a preparation of tetraethyl lead. When ethyl chloride, it convert to ethyl chloride, then it act with Pb. It is the uses of methane, ethane, then ethene, acetylene. Thank you students.